Let it rip.
Okay, so when the balls are all at rest, the first thing you do is work, which is adding or taking energy to a system. So this is positive work. As you bring the ball up, it increases its potential energy. And then when you release the ball, it swings back down, converting potential energy, where it's at its highest, into kinetic energy as it begins to pick up and accelerate. And then the ball will come in collision with this ball. And what happens is the ball exerts a force upon the second ball, which accelerates it into the third ball, and then the fourth ball, and then the fifth ball, and so on. But each time there's a collision, there's an equal and opposite force between the balls. So while this ball is accelerating the second ball will exert an equal and opposite force, decelerating the first ball and causing it to come to a rest. So the same will happen between the second and the third and the fourth, and then the fourth and the fifth. And since the fifth doesn't have anything negatively accelerating against it, it swings up, converting kinetic to potential energy until it comes to a rest at the top, and then comes and swings back down and repeats the process.
Okay. So, what happens once you do work? What happens to the total energy of the system?
If you do positive work, which would be picking up a ball, it
Yeah.
increases the energy, or if you do negative work, which would be
Once you've done your work, what happens to the total energy of the system after that?
Oh, it stays the same until work is done, other than
Right. And what's the total energy made up of?
potential energy plus kinetic energy.
Okay. So when the ball hits on one side and the ball goes out on the other side, what kind of collisions are these for the most part?
They're designed to be elastic collisions.
Elastic collisions. Are they exactly elastic?
No, which is why it eventually stops.
Right. So what happens to the ball when it goes out on the other side?
When it,
Yeah.
this, well, it's active force upon. So right now it has
Right.
high kinetic energy, and then as the kinetic energy is slowly being.
So how does the total energy of the ball come out compared to the total energy of the ball going in?
It's theoretically the same.